Hello, beautiful people. Next time you hear people saying that it costs a huge sum to look beautiful, just tell them to check their fruit basket. Yes, the secret lies there. With a wide variety of fruits in it, your fruit basket is all you need for a glowing and radiant skin. Oranges, bananas, apples, melons, and almost every fruit that you can name are a powerhouse to your beauty routine. Not to forget in this list is kiwi, one incredible fruit with a host of nutrients that will make your skin glow. A leading source of vitamin C, kiwi offers the following benefits to your skin. Rejuvenates skin through cell regeneration. Kiwi contains several nutrients, especially vitamins C and E, as well as various other antioxidants that are essential for boosting and rejuvenating the health of your skin. The fruit helps moisturize and hydrate your skin and stimulate the production and regeneration of new skin cells, thus making it supple and youthful. Adds a healthy glow to your skin. The citric acid content in vitamin C works as a natural bleaching agent to help lighten and brighten your skin. Keeps skin firm. Kiwi is loaded with vitamins C and E, which work together to keep your skin supple and firm. These vitamins aid in the production of collagen in the skin. Fights free radicals. Kiwi contains a number of antioxidants that help neutralize the effects of free radical damage in the skin, thus accelerating the process of regeneration and slowing the signs of aging. Fights acne. Kiwi contains natural anti-inflammatory properties that help fight acne and blemishes, as well as minimize the appearance of pores to help prevent further breakouts. Exfoliation. The black seeds in kiwifruit are natural exfoliants, helping remove dead skin cells, resulting in a flawless and smooth skin. While kiwi alone has multiple benefits to offer, a blend with banana and yogurt is an amazing combination that works wonders on your skin. The kiwi-banana yogurt face mask works amazingly well for normal to dry skin and helps hydrate and soften your skin. Things you'll need: kiwi 1 piece, banana 1 piece, plain yogurt 1 tablespoon, bowl and fork or blender. 1. Scoop out the flesh from a kiwi fruit and put it in a bowl. 2. Mash the pulp well with a fork. 3. Add 1 peeled banana to the kiwi and smash it. 5. Add 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt to the kiwi-banana mixture. 6. Mix the ingredients thoroughly to form a smooth paste. How to use your homemade kiwi face mask. Remove all makeup and rinse your face. Spread the kiwi facial mask evenly on your face. Apply a damp paper towel if needed to keep the mask in place. Allow the nutrients to penetrate for 20 to 30 minutes. Gently wipe the mask off using a soft washcloth soaked in warm water. Fully rinse your skin with water and pat dry. Apply a basic moisturizer, without exfoliants, and add sunscreen on top during the day. Use this face mask once a week for softer, glowing, and flawless skin. Thanks for watching today's video. If you find this video helpful, give me a big thumbs up. Please, don't forget to comment and subscribe for more videos. Bye and see you in the next video.